Hi, this is Paula, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sub-account within your Kucoin main account. And you might want to do this to keep things organized and have your assets separated. So in that case, if you'd like to create a sub-account, it's quite simple to do. So once you've logged in to Kucoin on your main page, you can come over and hover over the icon for your profile and come down to sub-account and click on that. Then it'll bring you to this page where you can create a new sub-account. So I have two previously created, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a new one. So simply click on Create Sub-Account right here, and then it'll ask you to please note that the sub-account name cannot be changed once it's been created, and that the fee level and trading fee of a sub-account are the same as those of the main master account. So you can simply fill out a sub-account name and then have a password for logging in. And if you like, you can put in a remark. And yes, there is a site if you would like to have some ideas about uh, passwords that you might want to use. There's a site called dinopass. And so you can click here for a strong password. And this will give you some ideas for some passwords if you get stumped um, to get some ideas. So yeah, so just go through a couple of times. If you see one that you'd like, then you can use that and you can add on extra special characters or letters or numbers if you wanted to make it even more extra safe. So I'm going to pause for a moment and put in my new password for my sub account. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got a password in mind, and again, it's dinopass.com for the password generator. It's kind of cute. Was meant for kids. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put in a sub account name, and I'm gonna go with 03. Then I'll simply paste in the password that I have decided on. And then now I can click Save. And it'll show you that the sub account has been created successfully. And it shows up right over here. And then you can make transfers between your accounts and sub accounts by clicking on Transfer here. And if you click on the drop down, you'll notice that there's a master account, main account, and master account trading account. And then you have sub account, so you can transfer between accounts within your Kucoin exchange. And yeah, so then, and this is the reason why sometimes if you can't seem to find some of your crypto that you know is in your account, then it just might be in a different account, whether it's the main account, trading account, and then if you have a sub account, then you can just double check and you'll find your crypto there. So this is a nice, easy way to create a sub account and keep your assets organized if you'd like to do that within your Kucoin exchange. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you on my next video. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.